Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing about the question number 4B. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of solutions of any subject, any degree, any course that you are pursuing. So if you need answers of any questions, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, we provide all the solution in a day. And if you need answer of any type of questions, so that you have to just tell us about all the type of questions on the WhatsApp. We provide all type of solution in a day. Thank you. Now the question number 4B is here: the draw and explain the equivalent LCR resonant circuit of an oscillating crystal and write the expression for its series resonant frequency and quality vector. What is the effect of the crystal thickness on its frequency? So that you can see here, we have given the number. You have to just drop a message by hi and tell us your queries on the WhatsApp, and we will get in touch with you. Thank you so much.